try. Oh, you're always so grumpy before your morning coffee. Better. Lunch, it's time for breakfast. Sing. I'm Ichabod, waken the children. Lunch, would you mind dusting the house? Slowly, Cleopatra. I wouldn't want my favorite African strangler to choke.
All right, Ichabod. I'm awake.
Not for long!
Real mature, Pugsley.
Oh, please. You never threw an axe when you were my age?
Of course I did. I never missed. How I wish something would liven up this already tedious day.
Ah!
Thanks for trying, Ichabod.
Pugsley! It's time for sword practice! Pugsley!
Let the games begin.
Pugsley!
Addams. It's the day your entire family gathers around you and passes judgment on your worth as a human being. I hear it's like Thanksgiving.
But swords are so old-fashioned. I'm more of a demolitions man.
Explosives have no place in a mazurka. Hand them over. All of them. And the TNT. And the M80s. Roman candles. Bang snaps. Holy hand grenades. Son, our family hasn't been all together in 13 years. They are coming from all over the world to see you on your special day. I just want it to go perfectly.
All right, Pop. I'll practice.
That's my boy.